What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to create a Clickbank account in 2021. So if you're an affiliate marketer or you're aspiring to become an affiliate marketer and make money through affiliate marketing, you know that being on Clickbank is a must for you. Like, it's one of the most popular and most paying affiliate network in the world. However, a lot of people face hurdles when they are trying to create a Clickbank account. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually create or open your own Clickbank account. Even if you are in Africa or Asia or any other place, you'll be able to create a working Clickbank account. Make sure that you watch to the very end, and in the description box below will be links and resources that will be helpful for you. Please make sure to like this video and share this video, and if you are yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button below.
Now, to get started, you need your Gmail account and your Payoneer account handy. So you go to Clickbank website, which I'll be linking below. You click on it and you'll be able to sign up for an account. On the sign up page, you will see that you enter your country, first name, last name, phone number, email address, and you are going to create a password with the criteria you are seeing on your screen. You'll be able to read the terms and conditions also before you are able to sign up for an account. So I'll just go ahead and fill up all this now, then click on the sign up button. So right now I've filled up the form, and you can see that on the left side those arrows have turned green, and I clicked on the terms and conditions to have a view of it. You should also do, so that you know what you are signing. So accept the terms and condition and then click on join Clickbank. This will automatically create your account, and you'll be brought to this page where they will ask you if you want to receive their mails about growing on Clickbank. There's no harm in having their mails. You can also subscribe at any time. So once you are on your profile, the next thing you need to do is to complete your profile. Scroll down and complete all the completables on this page. You'll be asked for address details and phone number of the particular country you have chosen. The best way to do this is to go online, just click on random addresses in United States or United Kingdom or whatever, and you'll have a list of various postcodes and addresses that you can actually use. Just input this there. They are not going to send you any letter to confirm this. Input this there. And also for the phone number, there are a lot of phone number applications that you can find on Apple Store or on Android Store. Just go ahead and pay for any of the numbers or get any of the numbers and input it there. After you've done that, you scroll down and you save, and that's it. You finished updating your profile. Then you will be taken to this page where you will be asked to create an account. So either you are new here or you have existing account. I assume you are new, so you click on I'm new here, sign up. So it will bring you to this place where you manage your account nicknames. So create an account in order to create your nickname. So that nickname is the exact name that will be your affiliate name for all the products. So click the account type. For an affiliate, of course, it will be affiliate promoting product, and if you want to pick any other one, feel free to pick. Then you choose your nickname. As you can see, it has to be between 5 to 10 characters, alphanumeric, no spaces or punctuations, and lowercase. So once you get it right, it will tell you congratulations, that name is available. So once it's available and you've gotten it right, just go on ahead and click sign up. So now that you've successfully created your account nickname, the next thing to do is to set up your account payment details. So when you click on your nickname, it will bring you back to a page where you need to sign in again. Just sign in, and then it will bring you back to the page where you'll be able to see your details, scroll down again, and then on the left side, of course, your earnings will be 00 and all that. You see the different things on the left side: tickets, marketplaces, search, accounts, and various things. Click on accounts. When you click on accounts, it will take you to this page where you'll be able to click on your nickname again. So you click on your nickname, and then it will bring you to this page where you can actually edit your account details. So we're on the dashboard now, and you can see we've got different things up there. All you need to do is click on account settings. Under the account settings, you'll be able to see your details, your name, address, password. You'll be able to change your password and all that. And then one thing that you need to do is to confirm your Clickbank account. Click on send a confirmation email to your Gmail. So immediately they will do that. And when you log in into your email account, you'll be able to see that they have already sent you that email, and you'll be able to click on the link in that email to verify your email account. So now that your email account has been verified, you need to go back to account settings. Under account settings, then you scroll down to where you have the payment information. As you can see, it's already stated there that $100 is the threshold and it's checked. Click on edit at the right side, and then it will take you to this page where you can actually edit your, if you want your threshold to be different from what it is already, you can just click the drop down arrow and just go ahead and edit it. Now you'll be asked for all this information which you'll be getting from your Payoneer account. So what you need to do right now is to log into your Payoneer account. I have a tutorial on how to open a Payoneer account, so you can check it out in the description box below. So once you've logged in, click on any of the accounts that suits your currency for your Clickbank payment accounts. Then click on receiving accounts, scroll down, and it will bring you to this. So these are the information that we need to input into this Clickbank account payment method. So you go ahead and copy each of these details and paste it in here. Click on check in and then save changes. So once you've saved the changes, click OK for that pop-up. Once the changes are saved, you see this notification that your account preference has changed and all that. Go to your email account and you'll be able to see that you have an account update. Also, they will send you an email automatically to confirm that your payment preference has changed. That is when you know that you have indeed changed your payment now preference. That everything is set, you can go ahead and start promoting Clickbank products, but have it at the back of your mind that every time you log in or use Clickbank, you need to put on your VPN. If you need extra help with that, there's also a video about VPNs that you can use in my description box below. Please don't forget to share this video with somebody.
So I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to contact me, you can contact me on Instagram. My links are in the description box below, and the first link on this video in the description box below will take you to a page where I can actually help you to create a working Clickbank account.